What's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we got some work to do. Alright, so you guys just saw my package, supply room, whatever. And so like I said, I don't like to waste time, so just what I did and filming. Hey, the HTV is done cutting, so now we can load up the next color and weed this one at the same time, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so that went by pretty fast, and so now I actually grabbed some parchment paper to get this ready for shipping. So I stack HTV like this, and if you're wondering if this is the same design as the last video, yeah, you're right. So my client came back and wanted some more in a different size, and so that was quick, and I cut up some parchment paper. So right now what I'm doing is placing it in the parchment paper, kind of like wrapping it up. And I'm going to put the white one outside of it. That way they're all not sticking to each other, even though the same color is stuck to each other. And then I put it in this plastic bag. So just in case if things get wet, at least the HTV is not damaged. And keep it up right here. And we take this and we'll put it in the Stay Flat envelope. Go ahead and seal it up. So that's pretty much how I ship my HTV, is in this 6x9 Stay Flat envelope. Anything bigger, I do have a bigger white Stay Flat envelope. But like the last video that you saw, I like basically jimmy rigged and made my own with the cardboard boxes. Again, I wouldn't recommend doing that, only if it's things that don't fit. And personally, if it wasn't that many, I would have rolled it up and put it in one of the boxes that I use. But because there's so much, I felt it was safer to ship them the way that I did in the previous video. So here we go, this is done. And so now we gotta go ahead and grab the other stuff that I need to ship. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and pick two items that I do need to ship as well. And so the first one is this guy. A bucket hat. If you've never seen it, it's on my website. And a beanie. So now we grab our products and we're gonna package them up. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have for today for right now, because I do have a lot of other things that I do need to do. Pretty much gearing up for the flannel orders that the flannels just actually got here today. So I'm gonna get ready to get that content going. And if I can help you guys with anything, let me know, because you know what my favorite thing to do is fucking shit up so you don't have to. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, concerns, please go ahead and drop them down below, and I will get to it as soon as I can. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.